Hello there, I'm Clive and I'd like to share with you today one of my most popular tips and help you with your listening. We'll look at the concept of prosody and deal with the rhythm of language through stressed and unstressed sounds. And I hope you'll see how a basic understanding of prosody can massively improve your listening skills. Let's get started. We'll begin with two simple sentences. I went to the shops, I bought some shoes. Firstly, we'll decide which are the most important words in the two sentences. You can pause the video here, say them out loud and decide for yourself if you wish. And give yourself full marks if you picked the four words went, shops, bought, shoes. Communication can be done with just these words, and that's because they are the key words in our message. They are the content words. The other words are function words. Now let's add some additional words to make a more complex sentence. I went to the shops and I bought some shoes. Another one. I went to the shops today and I bought some shoes. And finally, I went to the shops today and I bought a pair of shoes. Now, we have a sentence which sounds more natural and more conversational, but of course we've increased the number of syllables we have to navigate with our speech. And in fact, we have 9 syllables in the first line and 14 syllables in the last line, which is an increase of 50%. So, in fact, you would expect it would take longer to say the last line than to say the first, right? Well, in fact, you'd be wrong, because in normal conversation, it takes no longer to say the last line than the first. I went to the shops, I bought some shoes. I went to the shops today and I bought a pair of shoes. Perhaps it sounds now like I'm talking very quickly. However, you can still hear the content words clearly and you're hearing them at the same rate. The question is, why and how is this happening? And why does an understanding of this help us with our listening? Well, let's find out.